I don't do behavior management. Behavior management is you tell a child not to do something, you show them the consequence, they do it anyway because they get the attention from you, you then give them the consequence that they don't care about, and then 10 minutes later when they want the attention from you, then they do it again. So you're managing their behavior. I am going to teach you behavior modification, meaning you give a child an option of whether to choose this behavior or not, and once you go through my system, you will actually have the child stop the behavior. The only problem is going to be is that there's people that are going to do it their way. How many of you have ever done a workout routine or a diet your way as opposed to the way that the trainer wanted you to or the nutritionist wanted you to? 2 cheat days a week's fine. Sunday, Monday. Right. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. How well does it work for you